You'll never believe what a 100-year-old house in Tochni village, Cyprus looks like and what secret it keeps. Come with me. Coming through the courtyard door, there's two parts of this house. On the left side, we have this really lovely, quite private, little bit secret, outside, inside, lounge. There's storage there, little mini kitchen, and links through a little door into a dressing room, a huge bathroom, and then this beautiful bedroom looking out into the courtyard. On the right side here is the first of the 4 bedrooms with its own little ensuite. Now come with me upstairs. Here we are in the upstairs room, currently used as an office by the owners, and a lovely seating area. Just look at those walls. And leads out onto a little veranda, and you can see all the beautiful stone in that courtyard, all the arches, and then the other side, there's the village of Tochni. Look at the size then of this outside terrace, grow your own grapes, which links to that beautiful room that we've just seen. So we're back down in the courtyard. Now the courtyard links the 2 sides of the house we've just seen and the house I've got to show you. There's so many little rooms, so many little places. Look, we have a jacuzzi, outside seating area. Look at all the beautiful plants. Through these beautiful arches then into this outside dining area, through then into the kitchen. Just look at that. But please come with me now to see my favourite room in the house, the wine room. Wow, just look at this. Right, we've come upstairs to the first floor of the second building, and just look at this beautiful room. Stone on the wall. Oh, I could really do some work. And then through here, yet another bedroom with its own. So we have one more room on this level, currently used as a storeroom, but it used to be used by the previous owner, and she was an artist, and this is where she worked. Coming back down into the courtyard, we have one more room here. There's the entrance. We went left, we go right. It's 1 bedroom with its own ensuite. This beautiful stone-built villa then is in Tochni, Cyprus, and it's currently on the market for €595,000. So if you'd like to see this house, please drop us a comment below or give us a call on the numbers, and it'd be my pleasure to show you this beautiful house. Oh, and before I forget, if you've got an old stone house so well preserved like this one, or you know of one, we would love to see it. Please leave a message in the comments below. Thank you.